BittyBrush. Hi kids, today we will draw delicious fruits. Watermelon. Seeds. I like watermelon, do you like it? Let's draw a banana. Which fruit do you like the most? And this is the most delicious strawberry. I love strawberry jam. And now let's draw an apple. How beautiful it is! Let's draw grapes. Let's draw circles. Leaf. Let's draw a lemon. Leaf. It's so sour, but delicious. Let's color the watermelon. Red color. Seeds of black color. Banana will be yellow. Strawberries are red. How delicious they must be! Wow! The leaf green. We will color the apple red. The leaf green. The grapes purple. The leaf green. And we'll color the lemon yellow. Wow, what beautiful fruits turned out! Subscribe to the channel.